Good morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 10:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on a lovely Friday here in New York, October 1st, 2021. Let's look at the disclaimer. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and bell so that you're notified of situations where, like today, we have a great day. I want to share it with you guys. Share the video, speaking of sharing. Share it with your neighbors, your friends, anyone into cryptos that are interested in price action and expectations of where we're heading. With the ship is steering in the right direction here. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Let's get into the markets very quickly. We're only going to talk about Bitcoin here because this is honestly the flagship of the whole damn crypto market. I don't care what anyone says. It is the reserve currency of cryptos. Just like the dollar is the reserve currency of fiat, this is the comparison in how it works with cryptos. Bitcoin is the reserve currency in the crypto market, hands down. Now, we have been looking at these two patterns over the past week and a half or two, and we have noticed multiple resemblances between what had happened back between the May to August time frame and what's happening right now in our face. Now, taking a look at this, right? So we bounced all the way back up again. This is very reminiscent to back here. But we're not out of the woods yet. We're probably going to chop similar to this. But it's hard to really say how much chopping we're going to be doing. I think folks that have been already observing this pattern, which I honestly don't know anyone who's actually caught this yet. I've been searching YouTube channels, etc. But we might be the only ones actually seeing it. But if there are smart people who aren't sharing this information out, you wouldn't have known it. But anyway, if you're subscribed to this channel, you would have. And clearly we see this uptick right here. And we've seen it already. So guess what? I think we're going to be a little bit sideways chop before we start catapulting back up. And I think that's what's happened back here as well. And I think, we kind of have a good idea and sense. And I think this time around, for those who are following this particular rectangle, may have a bit of FOMO because this thing really shot up beautifully. Let's look over a Bitcoin dominance pair. Again, I think over the next day or so, I think Sunday is going to be a rally like beyond belief. But I wouldn't put all my cards on it, but for sure, there's a definite feeling from the way I've seen this operate before that we could be in for a nice leg up. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance continues to shine, going up dramatically, even while Bitcoin US dollar is going up. We saw this early signal. I talked about this early signal yesterday, and the day before, we started seeing something different. And we knew that Bitcoin will probably change because we got the early signal a day or two before. And it's important that we understand this chart. This chart tells us a couple things. Sometimes it operates in terms of a fear factor, and then sometimes it operates in terms of where we can see the change in direction. When things are in a situation where we have Bitcoin going down and this thing going up, and Bitcoin dominance going up, generally that means we have a bit of a fear factor situation in the air, right? But this time around, over the last couple of days, the signals out of this chart pattern have shown us that Bitcoin going up with the Bitcoin dominance going up means that we're starting to change direction. That means Bitcoin rallies for a little bit, and usually this is a leading indicator. And I'm glad we got a chance to see that, and I'm glad if anyone smart enough to get in when Bitcoin was down here, we definitely got in at a great price. Now, as far as altcoins are concerned, I don't know what the lag will be. I'm going to study that right now and get back out. But right now, this channel is looking pretty healthy for the overall crypto market, and it's still on a trend up while Bitcoin is going up. So this confirms my conviction around a turnaround in the crypto market. I think we're witnessing it now, and we kind of caught that a couple of nights ago if you watched those videos regarding the Bitcoin dominance price action change. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hope everyone has a good Friday. I will be pumping out those altcoin videos a little later. In the meantime, have a good day.